the West Philippine Sea, the owner of the West Philippine Sea is the Philippines. Because
thank you for the hat. Yes, please.
because
I see a harsh embrace.
you can say of the name, it's called West Philippine Sea.
Egad.
Ay, Tome. You hear me?
Egad. Tommy is
Tome. Oy. The name is West Philippine Sea. So-
What?
So it's said West Philippine Sea, the name. So the owner is the Philippines because
Wait.
if it is not the owner, the Philippines, it should be named West China Sea.
Okay.
But it's
Attention.
called West Philippine Sea, and it's not named West China Sea. So why is it people China
Angie, hold on.
hold on mo
Tension
mapa?
between. Listen.